Hi everyone, Simon here. So it's time to do another building review. No, as in a rental property or a property to buy. We've covered some cheaper ones, rentals, in our area. And we've covered a friend and his house down in Charam. 5.3 million baht bungalow. Now we're going to show you the condo in Bangkok, which a good friend of ours owns, and we've been staying in for a few days while we've been covering the motor show. So this condo that my friend has is part of an 8-floor complex. Prices vary from 6.5 million baht to 8 million baht. His condo's a 2-bedroom on the 5th floor out of 8 floors, with a private 2 floors of parking in the basement area, possibly down a floor. I haven't been around the corner, so I don't know, but 2 floors of parking to cover 1 space per condo. Security guard 24 hours, a pool on the roof, and a small gym with some machinery in there, a small room up on the roof as well. There's an entrance lobby and management company in a lounge area as you go in, but we prefer to walk through the car park area and in the side door to the lift. It's easier, and it's all with entrance security cards, as well as getting past the guard, who always stands up and salutes you. So here we are inside the condo, and entrance, really nice, welcoming entrance, beautiful tiled floor, storage, our shoes, sorry, but the owner has tastefully put furnishings in this condo, and I can reveal that at some points he lets it out. Beautiful little kitchen, perfect for 80 square meter condo this one is, and computer desk, dining table. Spinning round, we have hallway to a bathroom, 2 bedrooms, 1 bedroom's ensuite, a gorgeous entertainment system, really nice room. So coming in, we are panning round to a lovely lounge, nice coffee table. As I say, the fittings are beautiful, top quality, with a lovely balcony area. I'm not going to, oh well, go on then, just for you, I'll open the door and go out into the heat. Concealed aircon units, beautiful little table and chairs and drying area, and an owl. And guessing that could be, I don't know, is that north or south? But that property we're looking down on here, and all this woodland area, was a former Prime Minister's, and a long road going on in. The soy here goes round, I believe you can cut through and get out of this soy at both ends. But as I've mentioned, which I've got wrong of course, out on the main road, which that way, 100 metres up the soy, 3 it is, I think it is, up onto the main road. BTS, 200 metres away, Panom, oh no, Sanam Pau, that's it, Sanam Pau. So Victoria Monument is a kilometre out on the main road that way. Chatuchak's probably a kilometre and a half that way. It's in a great area, lots of banks around here, financial district, restaurants, Thai and English American. There's a couple of bars we found, and Korean disco as well, and a bar. Loads of Thai food on the streets. Absolutely fabulous area. And you can tell by the condos around this area, top end condos. And you can see why the price is as it is, between 6.5 million and 8 million baht. Let's have a look at the bedrooms. So just get my way around here. That's a wicked entertainment system he's got in here, with cable, Wi-Fi, bathroom 1 hopefully. So we have lavatory, a gorgeous walk-in glass shower, and then sink vanity unit. Really nice size, really nice size. Bedroom 2, at the moment I've got my camera equipment on the bed, but air conditioned units in the lounge and the bedrooms. Beautiful wooden blinds, big double bed. Units beside the bed, and a lovely double wardrobe. Good size room, 4 meters by 4 meters. Really nice size bedroom, really nice. As we come out of there, keep the lights on. You come into master bedroom, again with aircon, fitted wardrobes, and behind the door, lovely double bed. Beautiful decorations in here, gorgeous blinds, and our clothes everywhere, and me in the mirror. This bathroom has a bath and a shower, toilet, gorgeous big mirror, vanity mirror unit. Absolutely lovely. So, master bedroom, I'd say this one is 5 meters by 5 meters. Camera's a bit tricky to pick up these things. And then we'll show you up to the pool and the gym as well. Right, swimming gear. Let's get up to the 8th floor, have a look at this gym and swimming pool for you. The lifts are very quick here. Very clean, very nice modern condo. Not sure am I mad on condo living. It's different. Right, here we go. Up some steps. Welcome to the rooftop of the Silk number 3 in Bangkok, and it's an infinity pool. Yes. It's not a huge pool, but it's about 1 meter deep, running up to, I don't know, very small at that end. Gorgeous views. A lot of condos in this area. And the building we see down here is a former Prime Minister's residence with a lot of gardens around it. Love the Bangkok rooftops, the view. Uptown Bangkok is off to our left there, but condos everywhere, serviced apartments. Oh, they got a bigger pool over there. That's nice. Let's have a quick look, see if I can find this. Oh, there's the wife. Been out for breakfast. So yeah, decked area, pool, all included. In the, I imagine the service cost every month. There is a area here to have a lounge about, and we've got a gym which I can't go in, there's someone in there. A few machines, modern machines, and showers and changing rooms. Lovely. Doesn't need to be huge, does it really? A gym and a pool. But it is nice. Nicely looked after, nicely manicured. Another look at different side of Bangkok over here. Lovely. Right, time for me to have a swim. And that's what you get in Bangkok for 6.5 million to 8 million baht in a good area. There are condos in Bangkok ranging, I would guess, from 1.5 million baht, way out of Bangkok. And I've heard there's some for 100 million baht. So thank you so much for the owner allowing us to show you around. It is an absolutely gorgeous condo. If you're into condo living and you wanted to know what you'll get for between 6.5 and 8 million baht, there's your answer. Hope you enjoyed that. Tomorrow I think we're going to be looking at something really different to show you. So that'll be interesting. So for now, I'll catch you on the next video.